Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and I am finally back to making my videos and trying to upload regularly. I know I've been missing for a couple weeks. I was trying to get some well-needed rest, which I am still trying to catch up on, but I am, ready to start recording again and upload regular videos. My schedule is going to change just a little bit. I only will be uploading every Wednesday for right now, just so I can pace myself with the baby and kids with schoolwork and everything. So yes, I am glad to be back though. So I hope you guys are ready for this. I am starting out in my kids' room, which I usually don't start in this room, but their beds definitely needed fixed up and washed and all that. So we are starting off in their room. I am going to be organizing my son's dresser and everything in his dresser because it definitely was crazy. And then I will be moving on to my room. So let's get into it.
All in the club, we don't do no clubbing. Throw a 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Could never take a hand out. New cars, bigger house, everything was planned out. 2020 hindsight, noticing how I panned out. Never did too much, never wanted to stand out. Spent plenty, in my 20s, no place empty. God sent me, keep it thorough, this not trendy. Don't tempt me, on the edge and I'm sick. See them stealing my moves, hear them jacking my lyrics. But Chris can never dance like Mike, and Floyd can never hit like Tyson. I am who I am, never tripping, I just stick to the plan. And if I trip, it's to a beach, I put my toes in the sand. Silly.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So now we are into my room and we are just going to fold up some laundry. It wasn't too much laundry, but I definitely needed to fold it and put it all away. I also had washed my bed sheets, so I am going to be putting on my clean bed sheets and then just moving downstairs to clean the kitchen.
So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
So I am still working out these whole angles things. I haven't really figured out the best angle. I do want to show you guys, like, you know, me doing dishes because they start off dirty and, you know, but I haven't really fully figured it out. I'll figure it out eventually, but for right now, this is my new angle. You guys let me know if you like the angle. I'm going to try a whole bunch of different angles and stuff like that with my tripod, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning my kitchen. So I'm just going to quickly fix my closet. My closet was really bothering me. It's like we couldn't close it. It wasn't like it was too cluttered. We didn't really have to throw too much away. There was some stuff that we threw away and stuff. Like you see me on the phone with my husband trying to figure out what we needed to keep and what we throw away. But this closet really needed organized, and so far it works out pretty good the way that I organized it. But yeah, organization was definitely needed in this closet.
Lay with me, if only for a moment, only for a while. I regret letting you go, and you were mine. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right, and this pain doesn't go away. Yeah. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I'm waiting for you to say, stay with me. Call me back, I haven't heard from you in so long. I'm starting to forget what you sound like, 'cause now that it's over, I'm by myself. Yeah. I thought I'd be fine, but no more. My heart don't feel right. This doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I'm waiting for you to say, stay with me.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple.
Okay guys, so we are reaching the end of this video. I am just going to finish cleaning up all of this stuff on my desk and on the floor, and that will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are ready for all of this new content and motivation. And remember that I will be posting every Wednesday from now on. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.